Hello YouTube and hello fellow subscribers out there. Today, just this morning, I haven't been up, I've just woken up and, in front of me, as you can see, it is the Hot Toy King Leonidas Hot Toy from the film 300, which I enjoy very much. As you can see in front of me, it's all there, so that's quite good. Sorry about the shakiness, but here's the box it come with. There's the front of the box, 300, with a big nice shield at the front of it. This is 300 King Leonidas 1/6 scale collectible figure, masterpiece Hot Toys. The side of the box got 300 in red there, at the bottom as well. At the back of the box got a nice pose there with the helmet, and at the top left the extra head included. Yep. Then you have got the cape that comes with him. The instructions at the back. Then you just got the outer box. That's where the figure was in. There's the side. There's the back. Nice picture there. And then at the side, prepare for glory. And as I say, there's the figure itself, guys. There's the necklace, the figure itself, and the stand. There's the shield with the arrows. There's the long spear. There's the helmet, which is looking awesome. There's the other head sculpt with like the scar on his face, so sort of a battle damage head sculpt. 2 hands. The knife holster. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and I will put this together and I will make a review on it. So thanks for watching, and keep collecting her. Bye.